The Vision Ralliart concept embodies Mitsubishi Motors' vision for the new Ralliart and brings together the company's engineering and passion for monozukuri challenges, craftsmanship. Styling is given a premium look with impressive presence on the road, and the comfortable ride with peace of mind in various weather and road conditions, characteristic of Mitsubishi vehicles, is further refined. The exterior features bold, muscular styling created by the front and rear bumpers with functional beauty, and the large, widened front and rear over fenders. The front grille with a radiator shutter and the large rear diffuser reminiscent of a race car emphasize the sportiness of the model. The matte black body color shows blue highlights when hit by light, creating a deep, multidimensional expression that gives it a high-quality feel. To provide high driving performance, the Vision Ralliart concept has a wide stance and is equipped with 22-inch large-diameter wheels and tires. Large brake discs and opposed piston 6-pot brake calipers, which exert braking performance matching the powerful torque of the motors, are adapted to elevate acceleration, cornering, and braking to a higher level.